To make this delicious recipe, we're going to be adding meat to noodles. I like to use seasoning for this recipe as well, salt and pepper to start. But you can use more seasonings if you like. All right, now that we have them in our pan, we're going to turn on the heat and we're going to wait for the meat to start to cook. Just like this. We need to make sure that our meat is browned on both sides. It's going to start to look like this. Okay, once our meat is starting to brown, I'm going to be adding in 4 cloves of garlic, just like this. And remember, we want to make sure that our pan is on a low heat. We want to avoid burning our ingredients. Okay, I'm going to add some finely chopped green bell pepper on top. And then I'm also going to be adding a red bell pepper. Try and spread these pretty evenly over the pan. It's going to help with stirring later. Okay, I'm going to add the rest of my bell pepper here. And then I'm going to be adding a chopped onion. Just like the bell pepper, spread it evenly. We're adding so much flavor and so much color to this recipe. It's so beautiful. It's looking good, right? Just like a flag. Okay, now I'm going to be adding some red wine. Add it to about halfway up the meat, just like this. This recipe is really good, so delicious. It tastes amazing. Okay, at this point, we're going to bring everything up to a boil, just like that. Okay, I'm going to add about 1.3 pounds of tomato sauce. Once our tomato sauce is added, we're going to bring it up to a boil again, and we want to start reducing our mixture at this point. Okay, great. It's going to start to look like this. Now that this step is ready, we're going to add some mozzarella cheese, just a few slices. You can place them over your meat and noodles just like this. Noodles with cheese is so good. You can add as much cheese as you want. I'm also going to be adding some Parmesan cheese as well in just a moment. All right, now that all of my mozzarella cheese is added, I have my Parmesan cheese, and I'm just going to sprinkle this on top. I used about 0.1 pounds of Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese is going to give this a different taste. It is so delicious. Okay, we're going to turn the heat off, and once our heat is off, we're going to take this over and put it in the oven just to get our cheese nice and melted. This recipe was in the oven for 20 minutes at 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Look how nice it turned out. I wish you could smell through your phone. It smells so good.